Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to make contact posters in iOS 17. First of all, open up the Contacts app. Once you get into your contact list, tap on your contact block and then from your profile, tap to add your contact photo and poster. Then tap on Continue button and you can customize how you appear and express yourself when messaging, calling, and sharing with friends. After that, tap on Memoji from the bottom bar. Choose any of the following emojis from here. Once you select the emoji, tap on Next from the top right corner. You can also adjust the size and style of your font from here. Also, you can choose a different color from here. And you can change the background color of your poster. Now tap on the depth icon and you can choose to turn on or off the depth effects. You can also change the Memoji if you want to. Once you're satisfied, tap on the Done button from the top right corner. Now your poster is all ready. You can have a look at its preview poster. And then tap on Continue twice. Then you can select the Share Automatically option and tap Done. You can do that with any of your friends' contact from the contact list. Go into the contact and tap on its profile. You can create a poster for that contact. Or if you already created it, tap to customize it. Then go into Contact Photo and select the Memoji from here. You can choose any of the following emojis from the given options. Now you can adjust the size, style, and color of your poster. After that, tap on Next and Continue. Once you're satisfied, tap on Done and Continue. And now your poster will be created successfully. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.